Okay, so let's finish this year in this lesson. So you can see we have completed most of the thing here. So I just need to complete this behind part here, and then we're ready to merge it with this bear's head here. So I'm going to start extruding this border edge here from behind, so to get this ear shape here. So I'm going to select from this edge to this edge in this angle. So I'm going to double click here. So again it chose the shortest path, so which I don't like. So let's select this, let's select this. So this is the shortest path now. So now let's select this manually. So make sure you have selected from here, from this, you can say from this angle until here. So then I'm going to extrude it. So extrude, and then we're going to extrude in Z inside. Yeah, so it's gonna be like this, and let's move a little bit so that it's don't penetrate here with this piece here. So it's kind of this. Then here we have to like now merge this vertex, these two vertex. So let's go to edit mesh tools and target weld. Bring this vertex to here. You can see it looks like it has a thickness now. So I just extruded and merged this new vertex here to this side. Okay, let's hide these things, it's on the way there. So let's select and press Ctrl H. Okay, hide it, and let's hide it as well. Ctrl H, press F to frame it. Okay, so ready. Then we are going to breeze or merge this vertex. So I'm going to use this target weld again. So let's bring that from here, and this time I'm merging here like this. So it's like it gives me a triangle there. So that's fine. Now I'm going to again select this as, select till here like this, and I'm going to extrude it again, and this time I'm going to move in world axis like this. Okay, something like this, and then let's say till here. Okay, then let's say just rotate it like this from the top angle. So the behind side should be like wider than this side. So I just rotate it a little bit like this, and then I'm going to again merge this vertex. So let's go and bring the target weld, and I'm going to merge this thing. Oh, so let's bring that again, target weld. Okay, like this. So I got a triangle there, and I'll do the same thing bottom here. So do the like merge that. Now I'm going to add an edge loop here in between. So I'm going to bring the insert edge loop tool and drag it here. So in this case I don't want that option, so let's go to insert edge loop tool option box, turn off insert edge flow. Okay, then let's scale this like this, move this. So obviously I have to like adjust a little bit like this. Is go to slide edge tool. I'm using shift right mouse to get all these menus. Okay, so now you can see I have the behind part of the ear, and now I'm going to extrude the whole thing, whole border thing, you can see. And I'm going to extrude, and let's go to scale tool and scale like this. So just think about, this is the head part, this is the part of the head here. So we are going to merge this part with the body or the head there. So I'm going to unhide all those. So go to display and go to show, and I'm going to show geometry all. Okay, so just unhide them. So we are ready to merge it. First I need to combine both of them. So let's go to mesh and combine. So now it's a single object. Okay, Now I have to align all those vertices. So let's say this is well aligned, but here it's not aligned here. So let's align first. So make sure. So let's bring this like that. Okay, now let's merge them. So merge to center. You can see I'm just selecting both of them, hold shift and right mouse, and on top there is the merge vertex option and merge vertex to center. And then once you use that, then you can press G to repeat it. Okay, like this. And let's move this. I don't think we have one vertex there, so I think I have to add something there. So let's see. So I'm going to merge both of them like that, and this area I can merge here. Let's say this part like this maybe, or maybe I can add something there. Let's say okay, and then let's merge those two. So kind of this, I don't have anything here, so I think I have to put one edge there, or I can just not triangulate it. So let's go to multi-cut tool. I can bring that tool here, mesh multi-cut, and then drag and put a vertex there. Then go to vertex mode, then go to edit mesh, merge to center. Okay, press 3. You can see our ear has been attached. And yeah, that's cool. In the next lesson we are going to do the neck.